Look, don't judge me, okay? Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put a little heat to it. So I'm going to try and blow dry it. Maybe use my little hot brush, just straighten it out just a little bit. I'm only really concerned about the edges, not really the middle and stuff, because you're not really even going to see it. And then put this thing up in a ponytail and knot it up. So yeah, let's get to it. Take my brushes and my comb and my blow dryer, and I'm going to pretty much get it as untangled as possible around the edges. Okay, so now you can see it's a little easier for me to put it in a ponytail, okay? But sis, we all know natural textures do not match up with the sleek wig textures, okay? And I want this to be a little bit more flat. So I'm gonna take my Magic Tech brush and I'm going to brush down around the edges again. It is on 430.